when
You don't smoke here when you're doing
You
something.
took it while I pet the dog. What? Knock it off. It's good.
I love you. When they're little.
Everywhere.
And remember this. Remember when they were very little. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Today is Thursday. Ano na, 7:13 na ng umaga. Ang kailangan kong umalis dahil dahil gusto kong pumunta doon sa isang bahay. Yesterday was Valentine's Day. And then, wala ako dito. Wala yung asawa dito. Nagtrabaho. So, I'm going to go there to spend time with him. Usually, guys, we don't really go out. So, merong sinend si Patrick Tria anyway. So, probably nakikita nyo itong mga late na. Pero, panoorin ko siya, ha? Panoorin ko siya. I-ano ko tong camera para...
Wala tayong pinagsamahan. Kumusta ka? Ikaw ay walang iba. Tanda ko pa habang ako'y papalayo. Isipin na siya'y walang masabi. Kumusta ka?
Hala, oy, sino ba to? Reaction PH? Hala, lahat ng mga nag-reaction nandito. Hello? Patrick Tria, paano mo to nakita? Ah, mahilig itong reaction PH pala. Mahilig siya mag-ano na mga nagre-react. Nakasali pa ako. Nakasali pa ako. Sinali pa ako. Magre-ready lang ako, guys, and I will see you sa baba. Let's go this way. Let's go. Go. You go. We're ready to go.
Enjoy the next 30 minutes of ad-free music.
This way. Ready to go to see Dada. Are you gonna see Dada? Huh? I'll be right back, huh? Stay here. Hi guys. Kaloka guys. Yung nag-deliver sa amin ng oil. Ay, I have to take picture. Hold on. I'll be right back. Mapunta sa ilalim ng lupa at saka mag-mix sa tubig. Sa ganyan. Kasi sa ilalim kami kumukuha ng tubig, di ba? Yung oil ba, kumakalat. It's traveling all over the place. Kaya si Tami gusto niyang palagyan ng ano. So, nilagyan ko ng cut leather and then nagtitake ako ng picture para ipakita ni Tami sa oil company.
I was not ready to falling like I'm wasted. My heart grows heavy. Don't taste me rushing. Keep your words naked. You got me blushing.
Rock. Kararating ko lang not long time ago.
Pork chops.
For who?
Can you tell?
Is that really pork chops?
Sure, can you tell?
Yeah. Stupid.
Stupid. Who looks at this and then asks what I'm making?
Because for the camera.
Yeah. Camera can't tell what I'm making? No.
No.
I bet they can. I bet there's not. Even people who don't know what they are can tell. Oh yeah.
What do you want? What do you want? Oh, what do you want? You're too cute, eh? You're too cute, oh, Mama, Mama. You're Mama's little girl. Yes, you are Mama's little girl. What do you want? Ganito guys kapag may gagawin ako guys. Ganito sila palagi. Nasa giliran ko. Nangamras-kamras. Mistig. Gumaganon-ganon. Dahil yung daddy nila andun sa bathroom. Si Roxy kinauras ako dito eh. Hala, uy Roxy nagdudugo. Ay naku Roxy talagang. Look what you did Rox. Kinauras ako dito sa kigwahon. Dada, gugit dada. Gusto nila yung dada nila. Nandun sa taas. So, nandun sila ay nakatingin sa hagdanan. Naghintay na lang yan sila. Naghihintay. What did you just said? They've been bugging me because you're not here.
I'm not here. She's so quiet. I don't hear nothing. No noises.
Because don't follow and look at her because she want you to follow her.
Show me where they're at.
Hunt.
Show me where they're at. That's what they like doing. I let them out.
Guys, he's accusing me again. Always accuse me. What did you lose?
Where's my lighter?
Han, I said no. I'm asking you why you leave the cigarette here and then where's the lighter?
Where's my lighter?
Go find it.
When
You don't
hide-
smoke here when you're doing
You took
something?
it while I was petting the dog. What? I knock it off. Hey, here, just annoying.
Find it.
I'm not funny. You give it to me.
Give it to you. Tumaas na talaga itong buhok ko, guys. Hindi ko nga siya inayon. Oh, anyway, so yung ginawa namin, ayaw kong ipakita yung papel kasi may mga address. Ang gumawa namin is, nag-ano kami ng mga papel na dapat is-sent. Like, for example, bill or...
Good girl, Missy monkey girl.
Thank you, hon. I know I'm a good girl.
She's eating her food.
Yeah.
And I walk away, she stops eating.
Yeah, because you touch her. What the heck, Tommy? You're like, I'm just talking right... Find it. Come here, look, find it. There's nothing here.
Huh?
Where is it?
Huh?
There's nothing here.
Where'd you put it, hon? Did you
Find
get
it in my body.
Hon, where'd you put it?
Find it in my body. No, it's in my body down there.
You're
I
as good as
love you. I love you.
you do yourself.
Ay, nakakaloka. Han, I'm still gonna do mukbang and I'm gonna get hungry. No, you need to go hurry. Yeah? Okay. That's scary, hon. The guy dead? Because usually your head is turning to the other side to look.
Look who's coming.
If that's me driving, I probably hit that guy already.
The car probably would have stopped for you.
Huh?
Car probably would have stopped for you.
The driver is crazy. If he do that, he should be staying in the freaking left lane. Hi guys, katatapos ko lang nagmukbang guys. For sure nakikita nyo na yun advance. It's no talking, only I can't resist of smiling and talking because Roxy's with me, eating with me guys sa kumakain siya kasama ko nung nagmumukbang ako ng chicken. Saka sobra talagang sarap ng chicken, oy. Nabusog ako guys, as in chicken lang yung kinain ko guys, saka fries. Pumunta kami sa CVS and then pumunta kami sa ShopRite kasi katabi yung Popeyes at saka pumunta na rin kami sa ShopRite kasi bumili kami ng gulay at saka yung kailangan ni Tami dito din, egg, milk at saka ang importante is yung cat leather. Anyway, time check it is 3:54 na ng hapon. And yes, so 3:54 na. Ang dali na, oy. And also, tinatry ko ito, guys. It's 99 cents. I tried this. I got this from ShopRite. Pero, guys, hindi ko gusto. Mas gusto ko pa yung natin doon sa Pilipinas, yung chicharon. Chicharon man ito, pero mas gusto ko yung chicharon natin dyan. Yeah, this is those papers. I supposedly doing mukbang with this, but I will probably tomorrow. Few pieces. But I will try it here now. Looks really like red spiciness. I don't know. Tommy said, what you said?
I said it was too hot to be worthwhile. I mean, it was spicy enough that it made the chicken bland. The chicken was like blotted.
Spicy.
Yeah, but the chicken needs more flavor. So
No, it's flavorful.
Nah, they put all the flavor into the spice and that was it.
Spicy, guys.
The piece I had was very bland except for the spice.
You guys watching me? Live? Tommy's watching. I'm a sister, honey. I'm a sister. I'm a sister. Oh no, I'm a sister.
Yeah, that's hardly sexy look for you.
I'm a sister.
Some girls do a cigarette like that if that's sexy. But chicken bone doesn't really cut it. Maybe Henry VIII would have thought so.
Spicy, honey. My husband is so good looking, guys. You know who you're talking? You know what who's taking?
You want steak?
There's so many flavor in it.
Let's just wash your face. I have to right? I'm gonna get one for you and one for Misty Moon.
Ay, nako.
Sit. 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 Sit.
Sit up.
Sit up. Sit up. Good girl. Monkey, monkey. Sit. Sit.
Sit up.
Sit up. Sit up. Good girl.
Ay, ay, ay. Spoiled. They're spoiled, hon. Hello. Hello. It's so
Crunch, 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 crunch.
It's so crunchy, bro.
Crunch, 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 crunch.
Nanonood si Tami ng TV. And then ako, I'm going to edit. Not edit. I'm going to make a thumbnail for tomorrow's video, guys. My baby's right there. And my two annoying kids right here. My two other kids in the house. Dito ako sa massage chair. Maglilingkod ako dito. Magliling. Hi guys! Andito na naman ako. Nagbabalik sa inyong mga lingkurin. Ay, nagbihis ako kasi gusto kong maging komportable. Guys, tapos na akong nagluluto ng spinach at saka squash. And yung mata ko is para na akong panda. Panda o panda poy. Panda poy. Kung hindi nyo pa alam guys, dito sila lumaki. Yung kinuha ko sila, yung bata pa sila, dito sila naglalaro sa porch na ito. Malaki itong porch pero maraming junkie kasi ano ito, mga donation guys. Na-miss ko talaga tong lugar na to guys. Ito. Na-miss ko yung sasakyan ko, oh. Doon yun kantami. Sasakyan ni Tamimoy. Hi, nakikita niyo ako doon. Hi. Yun guys, nakikita niyo donation yan guys. Exercise machine, yun. Donation yan. Kailangan pang tumawag para i-pick up. Yung mga yun. Diba guys, nagluluto lang kami steak the other day. Sa isang bahay. Tami loves steak guys. I'm telling you. No, I don't know. Roxy.
She's down. Alright.
When they were little.
Everywhere.
And remember this. Remember when they were very little. It'd be everywhere. Hey.
Quiet, you. Quiet. Quiet.
Happy Valentine's Day to my beautiful wife, Love Tommy. What a card.